This video chart presentation of GetReal USA brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. GetReal is a pink sheet listed company trading our ticker GTRL. I noticed right off with this RSI trending upward, a little bit of momentum trying to come into the play. And that's evidenced by coming off this bottom. Stock made a brief dip down to a penny, pulled right back up before the close that day, set up a short-term support level at 14 cents, then another at 15, then another little one at 16, now another one at 17. So continually making higher lows, the stock's going to stay on radar to try and blow through some resistance points because there's a pretty nice upside if some volume starts to come into this play and it can take out 2 cents. Seeing from the MACD, starting the uptrend back towards zero as the price per share is climbing, which is indicating a potential shift in trend. PPO is given a similar reading. ADX very neutral. ADX itself only registering a 16.5. Not a lot of strength to a direction at this point. I always look for a move back up through 20 and certainly through 30 to show a strong direction. MFIs move back over top of 50. It's a very nice look. That tells me that the typical price that's being paid is rising. Accumulation distribution is flatlined. Obviously not getting a lot from it when it's flatlined like that. I'll look for some sharper movements. Do get a little bit of a different read from Chaikin money flow, pushing back up into the green. That says that buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure over the last 20 periods. Another thing that's notable about that, for the last couple months, you can see how selling pressure was subsiding and moving towards the buying side of things. CCI, again, very nice uptrend going on. Holding over zero tells me that the price is holding towards the upper half of its mean. Full still had real strong momentum starting to come into it, peaking out near 80. It's retraced. Always want to see it try and hold 50. In this case, it's a little bit below, but the 14 is starting to rotate, giving hints that some momentum might be coming back into this play. Trix also has dropped a bullish cross, still down near -2, but looks like it's trying to break this long-term downtrend that's been in, and a bullish cross in the Trix is always a good sign. RSI, as I mentioned, trending back towards 50. It's a pretty neutral reading of momentum, and that would be somewhat expected, because after making a run up here to 2.3 cents, stock has cooled off a little bit and consolidated around 1.7 cents. And as such, I'd expect a little bit of momentum to come out of the play. But right now, it's at a crucial point because what I want to see is the long-term RSIs, the 14 and 21, make their break through 50. It's a bullish sign of momentum if that happens. Now, ultimately, as I mentioned, there is a bottom support down here at penny. But that's not where I'm looking. It's too far away from the closing price. And realistically, I see better support at 1.4 and a penny and a half. That would be the lower end I'd be looking for. In the short term, I'd really want to see it hold 0.17 because it's held that for about 8 or 9 trading days now. It's a very thinly traded stock, as you can tell by the volume bars. No shares were traded on Tuesday. So certainly what I'd be looking for is an increase in volume because the stock's going to meet a little bit of resistance there at 2 cents and a little bit more around this 0.23 area, but I don't see it getting real heavy until up around 3 cents. Now, if that move happens, it also marks a pretty substantial shift in the chart because that would put the price per share back over top of this 50-day moving average. And that's a key point that I always look for because bullish charts are trading over top of the 50. The most bullish of charts are trading over top of both the 50 and the 200. The 200 is a lot farther away. It's up here around 4 cents, which is where I'd expect more resistance to come in. But with the stock price right now below 2, I don't look that far ahead. I stay near-term focused. I watch for volume to come in, holding the support levels, and the taking out of resistance points. The indicators are certainly giving hints that could be coming, and because of that, this chart's going to stay on radar to see if it's going to take on some upward pressure. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the GTRL chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. I do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.